What is going on, my friends? If you haven't been here before, my name is Rich and thank you so much for checking out the channel. Now, in today's video is going to be a real quick one, but a very important one if you own a Tesla Model 3 and you want to remove these Aero wheel caps. So the key here is how to remove them properly, because if you don't know how, if you just yank this thing right off, you're going to crack, snap, or break it right in half. So let's go over this. Now, what you want to do is put your hands on each side of a wedge. I call these the wedges on this Aero wheel cap. Take your fingers, put them on the back side of the plastic. Don't go too deep because you will get the spokes of the rims. Take your fingers back just until you feel the plastic edges. Now, stay up near the top, near the tire. Don't go down towards the center. Put your fingers on those edges again. Put your thumbs on the tire. Now, the first time you do this, it's going to be really, really tight. So don't be afraid to yank pretty hard, but don't yank all the way out to where it just snaps right in half. Hold that, put your thumbs on the tire, and pull. And do the same thing to the next wedge. And now, what'll happen is, depending, it might happen to you, it might not, but as you pull these off, it might just start to pull off completely. And if it doesn't, just keep going around. There you go. So this Aero wheel cap is held on by all these clips in this middle piece right here. Okay, so that is the proper way on how to remove it. Now, the proper way to put it back, there's only one way actually, but just pay attention. So there's a hole in the Aero wheel cap here that aligns with the valve. Make sure that is aligned, because if it's not, you'll probably break some of these clips. Now it's time to just give it some love taps all the way around. And before you're done, just make sure that the Aero wheel cap is aligned properly with the rim, so it's all nice and flat, and that'll tell you that it's on there nice and tight. So, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe. We are gonna do a ton of content on EVs, Tesla Model 3 specifically, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out.